Hello, my techie nation. We're just 5 days away from the official Galaxy S25 Unpacked event, and things are getting exciting. Samsung's biggest mystery has now been solved. We finally know how slim the Galaxy S25 really is. The S25 Slim is incredibly thin at just 6.4 millimeters, which is extremely impressive. For comparison, the S25 Ultra is 8.2 millimeters thick, making the S25 Slim truly remarkable. As for the design, it closely resembles the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, but don't be fooled. The camera setup is more like the S25 Ultra minus the long periscope zoom. The Galaxy S25 Slim is set to launch in May 2025, which is earlier than the usual release for standard Galaxy S25 series models. In addition, more official images of the Galaxy S25 series have been leaked, giving us a look at the full official camera specs. While some of this information is already known, it's now officially confirmed that the S25 Ultra will feature the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor. Samsung will also be marketing their One UI 7.0 features, and the Now Bar feature is easily one of my favorites. It's going to be fully unleashed on the Galaxy S25 series. Speaking of software, the S25 series will include several new Galaxy AI features, starting with YouTube Notes. You'll be able to create summaries of any YouTube video and add them to your Samsung Notes app. There will also be a built-in music search feature, allowing you to search for any song or artist. For students, the Homework AI tool will help solve equations, and one of my favorite features, Sketch to Image, will get an update thanks to generative AI. Samsung's new teaser image shows that you can now draw something and use voice or text to generate the corresponding image. Additionally, Samsung teased a major update to Bixby, making it much more powerful. For example, you'll soon be able to make complex requests, like asking for an Italian restaurant with outdoor seating and pet-friendly options, and have it added to your calendar. This is something that current Bixby can't handle, but with the Galaxy S25 series, it will be deeply integrated to assist with any task. Lastly, it seems there's a good chance that Samsung has downgraded the S Pen by removing the Bluetooth feature. This means you won't be able to use air gestures or the remote camera shutter. The reasoning behind this could be related to the new Qi 2 wireless charging standard on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, or it might simply be a cost-cutting measure. It's also possible that the S Pen might rely on UWB for its functions, but we don't have all the details yet. What are your thoughts on this? Drop a comment below, and make sure to subscribe to Techie Nation for more updates.